Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You probably recognize this face because at the moment I'm filming the Maybelline Superstay multi-use foundation stick, foundation review, so that's why I look the same. I couldn't find my red lipstick because I really wanted to use red lipstick for this video, given that it's a Honey Birdette haul. But yeah, I couldn't find it, and I've changed tops because this is a high-class production, people. So once or twice a year, Honey Birdette have really awesome sales, and it's a great chance to stock up on some of your favourite items or complete sets that you've been wanting to complete. I only got one set this time around, but oh my god, there are so many amazing sets up. So if you've got anything, let me know what you got, because I absolutely love the Prince set in the purple. I think that's an absolute stunner. Obviously the Prince set in the red as well is really nice. There's Cassandra, which is such a gorgeous set. I love the suspender, but the suspender is sold out on my size. I'm so gutted, but I think they still have the bra and the briefs and things available, and they do have the bodysuit available, which is really, really pretty as well. They've got the silver shimmer Natalie, and I really like that style of bra. It's a lot like the Emily bra that I showed in my last Honey Birdette haul, with the boning on the cup. And there are some items from previous sets if you've missed out, just a bit of, loose stock at a good price. So I've probably gone on enough now so we can get to opening it, and I'm so excited because I got the Amber set, which I'm so excited about. Can I say that again? I'm so excited. But really, I am so excited, guys. When I saw Amber, I was just like, oh my god, so gorgeous. The foiling, the gold, everything. The only thing I'm not too keen on is the style of the neck. That's why I didn't go out and buy it straight away, because I was like, oh, I hate the ones with the neck. Like, I think they're really pretty, but then for me, if I want to hide my underwear under my clothing, you have to be very particular about what you wear. That's my rant about that, but I absolutely love it. It's an absolute fave. They had all the pieces in the sizes I want. Let's crack on into Amber. I haven't opened it yet. So excited. Done now. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab it all out. Ooh, it is stunning. Oh my god. I think I'll just start with the bra because it is the most stunning piece from this collection, in my opinion. So, oh, and it's got a black. Is that black? It's got like an amber gem. So this is what it looks like. Oh, so hard to hold these. So gorgeous. I absolutely love the foiling on the lace. It's got the gorgeous sateen, which you guys know I love. Absolutely so comfortable, so gorgeous. And yeah, I'll have to do close-ups because it's got like an amber color bead on it, or gem on it. Oh, so gorgeous, nice and thick and supportive with the sateen band at the back. So there you have it, so gorgeous, and it's got quite a lot of padding in it. So if you're thinking of picking this up in store or even off eBay, just bear in mind there's a lot of padding. All right, next up, so next up is of course the suspender, which is stunning. It's got an amber bead, and it's just got the cutest little style of bow. It's like a pleated bow almost, I'd say, as opposed to like a proper bow. And this is the waspy. How gorgeous is that foiled lace, guys? That is absolutely sensational. It's got the mesh, and it's actually double layered of mesh, which I really appreciate, actually. It does have boning down the front, just in that V, and it has boning in the back as well. And of course the last item, they do have a thong in this set, but I decided to get the brief, and I've been really into briefs lately, but I really like this one, and I'll show you in a minute why, but I'll just show you the front. They look so big. Bear in mind I am a large, guys, and it does have a cute little bow on it. All these items have the cute little flat pleated bow, and it's got nice little elastic straps in the side just for a bit of detail, so they're not going to cut in because they're nice and stretchy. So that should be really nice, and I'll show you why I absolutely love these briefs. It's because it's a mesh back, so it looks pretty big actually, but I love the mesh because it's nice and soft and breathable, and it does have ruching just right down the butt, so it's not going to sag at the butt, which is nice. It's going to just kind of go in nicely, so I'm really looking forward to wearing these. I am going to try on the bra for you. I don't think I'll have any extra comments at all. It's got a lot of padding. You know, I just know it's going to push up the boobs and be a really awesome fit. I can tell by the size of the cup. Like when I see a demi cup, I'm just like, oh dear, that's not going to work for me. Cannot wait to wear it. It's going to be a surprise for my husband because he doesn't know I've bought anything in the sale. I told him about it, but I didn't tell him that I got anything. And whoops. Anyway, I hope the sale is still going on so you guys will have a chance to get something. Let me know if you have any requests, and I hope you guys are having a nice weekend, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye guys.